Is your Epson printer acting up again? Before you consider buying a new one, you need to watch this. Today, I'm showing you 7 proven methods to fix almost any Epson error, from connection drops to print quality issues. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Method 1 is the most common fix, the connection. If your printer says offline, check your cables or your Wi-Fi signal. Unplug the USB cable and try a different port. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Power cycle the printer. Turn it off for 60 seconds, then back on. Method 2. Run the troubleshooter. Sometimes the problem is in your computer, not the printer. Let the OS find the bug for you. Windows. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Printer. A tiny sliver of paper or even a bit of dust can trigger a sensor error. Check the path thoroughly. Open the scanner unit and the rear paper feed. Check for torn paper or debris. Pro tip: always pull jammed paper forward, the way it prints, to avoid roller damage. If you see cartridge not recognized, it's usually a bad connection on the chip. Remove all ink cartridges. Wipe the gold contact chips with a dry, lint-free cloth. Reinsert them until you hear a clear click. Method 5. Clean the printhead. Faded colors or white lines. Your printhead is likely clogged. We need to run a cleaning cycle. Go to Settings, Maintenance, Nozzle Check. If lines are missing, select Head Cleaning. Warning: don't run this more than 3 times in a row or you'll waste too much ink. Method 6. Update firmware. Firmware updates fix internal bugs that cause random, general errors. This is like a software update for your printer's brain. Open Epson Software Updater on your PC. Select your printer and check for Essential Product Updates. Crucial: do not turn the printer off until the update is 100% finished. Method 7. Update printer driver. If the hardware is fine but the computer won't print, your driver is likely corrupted. It's time for a fresh install. Go to the official Epson support website. Enter your printer model number. Download and install the drivers and utilities combo package. There you have it, 7 steps to get your Epson back in business. If you're still getting a specific error code, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy printing!